Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to add text to image in iPhone. So for this, open the Photos app. Locate and open the image you want to add text to. Locate and open the image. Now tap on Edit. Tap on Markup. Now tap on plus icon. Now after tapping, tap on Add Text. Now double click on the text box. After double clicking it, type your desired text. To change the text color, font style or size, tap on the selected text box. Now use the formatting options. For example, type the desired text which you want. For example, I want to add nature. I have added the text. Now I can edit it as I want. For example, I want it as white or green, and I want to change its size bigger, and even I want to change its symbol, Apple symbols, it will get changed. So to drag the text box, you can hold it and you can drag it. To add a new line, what you have to do, place your cursor. To add a new line, place your cursor at the end of the line and simply press enter. So that's it. That's how you'll add text in your image. Thanks for watching. See you in